Hi everyone, my name is Terrell Bolden. For those of you that follow me, you guys know that I'm a local realtor working throughout the greater Los Angeles area, and you guys also know that mortgage rates have reached historically low levels. Okay, now just because mortgage rates are at low levels does not necessarily mean that you're going to get a great deal for yourself individually. And that's actually why I made this video. There's two things that you guys need to be aware of when it comes to, working with the lender and trying to secure a loan on the property that you're trying to finance, okay? So the first thing that you guys want to kind of have an understanding of are the origination fees of the lender, okay? These fees can be in the form of an underwriting fee, a loan commitment fee, an application fee, a processing fee, whatever type of fee that they have. Some people just call them junk fees, right? Whatever fees that the lender has, just kind of add them up and see what they come out to. I would say a fair level for the origination fees would be, $1,000 to $2,000. Me personally, I would say try to work with somebody or find somebody that has origination fees ranging from, I'd say, $1,000 to $1,800. For sure, though, if their origination fees are over $2,000, that means that you're working with a very, very expensive lender. I'm not necessarily saying you should not work with them or they're doing anything wrong. I'm just saying that they're expensive. And if you want to work with them, that's great. But also understand that you can, seek out a second opinion or a third opinion if need be. Okay, so that's the first thing: origination fees. Next, we have the interest rates. Now, interest rates, I don't want to go, and bore you and go on into this long tangent. But you do need to understand that interest rates are going to vary person to person. It's somewhat like a fingerprint. It's going to be unique to you based on your credit history, your FICO score, your income, things like that. But still, there is a great resource that you can use. There's a site that you can use. It's called mortgagenewsdaily.com. And this is actually a site that was, built by originators for loan originators. So it's a great resource that you can use, and I'm even going to take you guys, on my laptop so you guys can actually see the screen and what you guys can expect. Okay, hi guys. So as you guys can see, we are on the mortgagenewsdaily.com site, and this is a excellent resource for you guys to use out here. This is a site that essentially surveys multiple lenders daily. It compiles the data from those lenders and it provides a national average. And they even kind of sort the national average, of course, throughout the different loan programs. There are a lot of loan officers and branch managers that use this as a resource as well. So excellent place to go to. Okay, so first, what I want you guys to do is you guys can kind of see the news and the headlines and everything like that, but ignore that and let me even kind of zoom in. I know you guys may not see that all that well. You want to come over here to the market snapshot area and go ahead and just click view more mortgage rates. Okay, so once you guys get to this area in this top left corner, you'll see the daily rate survey. So, and you'll see here the 30-year fixed rate mortgage. This will be your conventional. You see the 15-year as well there. Then you see the FHA 30-year fixed. The most popular, two of the most popular home loan programs that potential home buyers use are going to be that 30-year conventional or that FHA 30-year fixed rate mortgage. So as you guys can see, you can see a daily average of where we are at now. You can see yesterday where it was, and don't get too caught up too much on the daily changes, because when the market is open, I believe rates change every 32 seconds or something like that. So don't get too caught up on the daily changes, but I do want you guys to focus on this 52-week category over here. So you see the low and the high. Let's take a real world example with the FHA, for example. Okay, so we see that the 52-week high was at 4%. So we can see that clearly the rates have been trending down. And if you guys follow me, you guys know that especially one of the benefits of the coronavirus that it's brought is the low mortgage rates that we're seeing. They're just at historically low levels due to the essentially the Fed just pumping money in, but it's brought a great benefit, right? So if you were going to secure a 30-year FHA mortgage right now, and you saw your interest rate above or at this 52-week high, that's something that I would question and really look at, because we know that FHA programs are more designed for borrowers with lower credit scores, right? And even though there's going to be differences between somebody with a perfect credit score and somebody with a not so perfect credit score, it's normally not that drastic, especially with an FHA mortgage. So if you see something like that, I would question my lender. I would say, hey, what's going on here? Why am I above that? If that was, if you saw something like that, also go ahead and get a second opinion or even a third opinion, because you want to work with somebody that's gonna, everybody has to make a profit, but you want to work with somebody that's still gonna be looking out for your best interest and also trying to help you get a low as a deal as you can possibly get, with making a fair profit off of you, right? So again, this is a great resource. You can see where the averages are today, and again, go ahead and check out that 52-week low and high so you can see where things are trending. And again, use it as a great resource. It'll definitely help you guys out there. Okay.
And then also you can talk to your lender, specifically about the loan program that you're using, and specifically, if you see something that you're not liking, you feel like it's not right, talk to them, have a conversation, because again, there's going to be differences based on your income, your credit score, your credit history, and things like that. And if you guys are in the Los Angeles area, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to work with you. And remember, if you're looking to sell, call Terrell. And if you want to buy, I'm still your guy. Okay? Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.